Russian composer Alexander Gedike was also an accomplished pianist and a professor at the Moscow Conservatory. Gedike had no formal training in composition, but became well known as a composer after winning the Rubinstein Prize for Composition at the young age of 23. The piece we will talk about today is from his collection of 60 simple piano pieces for beginners, Opus 36. Let's first take a look at the piece as a whole. We can see several repetitions of phrases. Some are exact repetitions, such as line 1 and 3. Some are similar repetitions, such as lines 1 and 2, where the first 1.5 measures are exactly the same. Then the pitches change, however with similar rhythmic pattern. The last line shares similar rhythmic patterns as the first 3 lines, which are a combination of staccato 8 notes and 16 notes, but the pitches are different.